Hey, my name's Monty. We're going to put in a washer box with the hot and cold connection and the drain connection. Let me show you how it's done. There we go. There's the washer box valve. It's old and there's corrosion, so we're going to change this out. Okay. And we're going to put this new one in. And there you go.
Here we are, disconnecting the water supplies. Get in there for you. Disconnecting those so we can get everything out of there and then get the new stuff popped back in. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, we've gotten the box removed. We got the connections cut.
Why are these empty?
And now we're getting everything prepped to put the new one in. How's it going, Monty?
Oh, it's wonderful.
So what's going on here?
Just trying to get the box in. I'm putting a plug in underneath this drain because we're not using it.
Okay.
And
there we go. Alright, cool.
Okay, well, here's the thing we're doing. There you go, flippy. So we got these guys soldered. Alright, not the prettiest, but there was a little steam happening, so I had to make sure that those joints were good. And we'll double check them before we go. I'll show you what it looks like when it's all patched up. And the plate is on there looking all pretty. Okay, let's go. There you go. New box. Hey now. And here are the old valves we removed. As you can see, they're pretty tore up and just waiting to fail and have some problems. Let's see if we can get a look-see in there. Yeah, so now we have new ones and they look like that, brand spanking new, and if there's an emergency they can shut them off. Highly recommended when they look like that. Alright, well, if you have any problems, call A Better Plumbing or visit us at plumcrazyforplumbing.com. We have the washing machines installed, and we have brand new shutoff valves and a brand new drain connection via the new washing machine box. Thanks for watching. It's always a safe bet to have new shutoff valves, and I'll give you one last shot before we go. We'll see you on the next one.